Hey guys, Fliz here. How you all doing? Yep, this is me in the flesh. Anyway, got a little car in front of me. I'll spin the camera around in a second to show you. We're going to be taking the bumpers off and doing a little bit of body repair on it. So here we have the car. It's a Hyundai i10 and we have a little bit of broken bumper at the front. As you can see, the plastic has all come out around here and it's got an awful nice split all the way along the bottom here. You can actually get your hand right in there and open it up, and it goes all the way along down here, and we have to repair all that. It's also got a nice little crack there that we're going to repair. And if we come down the back to the rear bumper, we've also got to try and reattach this, and it's also split down there, if you can see, just down there. So we're going to have to sort all that out, and to do that it appears that there is 4 screws along the top, and then we should have a screw just up inside the wheel arch, up in that little hole up in there. And if we go underneath, we should have a few screws along there as well, which we have to take out all the splash guards, and it goes all the way across to there if the camera wants to focus. And the splash guards are broken, so we're going to have to repair those as well. So I'm going to set the camera up, hopefully get a nice view of the car, and you'll see me take some bumpers off. Ready? So there we go, one front bumper removed. Didn't take too long. Hopefully that in the time lapse it only takes a couple of minutes. But that's the front bumper off. I'm going to get it down off the axle stands, turn it round and get the rear bumper off. So, see you in a sec. Oh, it's all turned round. Let's have a little look and I'll show you what the damage is. First things first, small little dent there. Don't know if you can see it. It's just there. Got to admit the light isn't very good in it. Oh, there you go, you can see it. Nice dent there, we're going to try and knock that out. There's also a dent on this side. Little wee one just there in the crease. You can see it's rippling in the light there. And this is the bumper we got to repair, so a proper good look at it. It's actually come away from the fixing in there. So we're going to have to try and fiberglass that back together. And also it's split down the bottom here, so we're going to have to fiberglass that back together as well. So that's going to be fun. And by the looks of it, a couple of screws up here. If we pop open the boot, should be what we got here. Right, that's a split line. So looking at it, it should come off pretty easy. Might be some underneath, but I'm not going to take you under there and show you. You've already been down on the ground once today. So I'll set the camera up and we'll go from there. Well, there you have it, guys. The struggle was real, but I do in fact have the rear bumper off. A bit of a crap design really, because these little tabs are supposed to be on the inside of the bumper and just there, yet you can't access it because it's got a screw. You're upside down now, but you've got a screw on the other side of it, and then it's screwed to the bash bar or bumper bar. So apart from taking the whole blooming bumper bar off at the same time, I'm not entirely sure what you're supposed to do. But we do have a bit of repairs to do on this bumper, so we've got to reattach both of these because they both snapped off, both sides. We've got to repair this because it's completely broken off and it goes all the way down there, so that's going to be quite interesting. This piece here is actually still attached to the car, just here. I'm going to attempt to get it out. Oh, there we go. So that's that bit. We're going to have to try and rebuild that bit as well. This side also starting to split and come away all the way along there, so we're going to have to put all that back and reinforce all that. And that's that. That's the car. It's all done. It's there behind me in the shed. Whee! I fixed the car. Well, I haven't fixed it yet. I've stripped it down. If you want to come back into the next video, guys, I'll have the bumpers all stripped down and I'll show you how to prep them and we'll start rebuilding them. Until then, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.